guys, we are Sean and Christy. This is Long Long Honeymoon, and today we are talking tires. A lot of you have asked us why we changed our wheels on our Airstream, and you'll notice in some of our videos we're running the original 15-inch rims, and in more recent videos we've been running some updated rims that are 16-inch in size, and yes, we have changed tires. Not just the brand, but the type of tire.
Because we were tired of having blowouts. Once you have a blowout on the interstate and people are whizzing by you at 75 miles an hour while you're stuck on the side of the road, you'll want to change your tires also.
A blowout can not only slow you down on your trip, it can do a lot of damage to a travel trailer.
Absolutely. We've had blowouts that have ripped out part of our undercarriage.
A blowout can even tear out the plumbing.
And your gas line.
Could cause a gas leak. It could cause you to be unable to use your kitchen or bathroom. It could really end your trip.
It can be really dangerous. Like, people can have serious accidents because of a blowout. We've been fortunate in that when we've had blowouts on the interstate, we were in the right-hand lane and were able to get over to the shoulder very quickly. And with that said, I highly recommend you get some sort of roadside assistance program for the simple fact that you really don't want to change a tire on the interstate. It's incredibly dangerous. It's just not worth risking it yourself. So let the professionals do it.
And you're probably going to ask us what we use. Frankly, we use AAA Plus.
Yeah.
More on that subject in a future video. So what did changing tires have to do with reducing the risk of blowouts? Well, our Airstream came originally equipped with blankety blank tires. I really don't want to disparage any certain brand or model of tire. I'm going to come out and say it. We had Goodyear Marathon tires.
Yeah.
And if you do a search for Goodyear Marathon trailer tires, you're going to find a variety of opinion. Note that when we bought our Airstream, Marathon trailer tires were made in the land of Kung Pao chicken. That's all I'm saying. And if you look for Chinese Goodyear Marathon tires on the internet, you're going to find some strong opinions from people who had less than favorable experiences with those tires. We had 3 failures. One where the tire just...
Yeah, something's wrong with this tire. Now that I look at it, because it's got a crown from here to here of rubber, and it's in this one strip through here, and it's low on the inside.
Yeah, that's strange.
Yeah, that's pretty weird. Because the rest of it's all smooth, but right in this one area, it rises and then it comes down.
In that one spot.
Yeah, like it's a defective tire, maybe.
Like bad steel belt in that tire right there. Could be a weak band of steel.
Yeah.
Could be a defect in their tire.
Yeah.
And we had 2 major blowouts where the tires completely delaminated, just fell apart. And I knew they were properly inflated because I had looked at the tires the day before and had made sure. We're not the only people this happened to. And I will say too, some people had a great experience with those tires.
Yeah. And if you did, 2 thumbs up for you.
Having suffered those blowouts, we did not have confidence in those tires moving forward.
No, and 2 of those blowouts were on the interstate in hot weather. That made us very nervous to drive on the interstate in hot weather because we thought, well, we're going to have a blowout today.
Yes, we could have chosen a different brand of ST or special trailer tire, but we chose just to make the switch to LT or light truck tires, and we switched to the Michelin LTX tires, which are the same basic tires that we run on our truck Seymour, and we have had a fantastic experience with those tires. We've been running those tires on our truck for a long time. So why did you change wheels, you may ask? Well, at the time, it was necessary to change wheels to switch our trailer over to LT or light truck tires. Since we made this switch, it's my understanding there are some 15-inch LT LT Michelin tires available. So you may be able to get those LT tires in 15-inch size. There are differences in construction between ST special trailer tires and LT light truck tires. This is kind of a controversial topic. There are going to be some people out there that say, oh no, if you have a trailer, you really need to be putting ST or special trailer tires on your trailer. Other people will say, hey, look, the Airstream factory is now putting LT light truck tires on trailers from the factory as an upgrade that you can order.
They know.
Trailer tires really aren't designed to go faster than 65 miles an hour. I know a lot of us, especially out west, when we're in those 80 mile per hour speed zones, probably go a little faster than 65 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Trailer tires are supposed to have stronger sidewalls. Supposedly, they're designed to sit still for long periods of time. And also, the stronger sidewalls are supposed to hold up better to flex when the trailer is cornering and so forth. And trailer tires are designed to go on trailer axles, whereas light truck tires are designed to go on traction axles. So there's some differences in construction, but of course, light truck tires can go faster. And a lot of people believe the LT tires are just built to a higher standard than the ST tires. We had our wheels and tires installed by who else? Vinny Lamica of Vinny's North Bay Airstream Repair.
Yeah, and he has a lot of experience doing this and was actually the person that sort of told us to think about it and recommended it to us. So
Vinny sees a lot of Airstreams and he hears about a lot of tires.
Yeah.
And we really value Vinny's opinion on these matters.
So thank you, Vinny. And we can't tell you what to do. We're just telling you what we did.
We typically take our rig all over North America. So we're traveling very long distances and we really wanted to get the best tires that we could possibly put on our trailer. And for us, it was those Michelin. For us, it made sense to make this change. It's not an easy decision because it's expensive.
If you already have 16-inch wheels, then it won't be as big a deal for you. You'll just be buying 4 new tires. But when you have to change out the wheels, that adds a lot to the expense.
Changing to the 16-inch rims was an upgrade in many ways. I mean, visually, for one thing, it really updated the look of our Airstream.
I think it made it look like a brand new Airstream.
Airstream itself is using the same wheels that we got. And by the way, there will be links to the wheel and tire and everything that we have set up on our rig beneath this video and also in our store on Amazon if you're interested in making the switch yourself. I do feel greater confidence on the interstate, and that's very helpful, especially out west. I've noticed an improvement in ride height, which helps when we're going into gas stations and out of shopping centers.
Absolutely.
In that sort of
Major
situation.
improvement there.
It's not going to scrape because we've got that extra inch of clearance. The downside, I would say, is if you're stepping up into our trailer without having the step folded out, it's a taller step. It's noticeable.
When you're already making a big step and then you just add an inch to it, it's, noticeable.
It's a pretty minor complaint, but it is something that I have noticed. So we're now in our 4th year of using this rim and tire combination, and we have crisscrossed the country several times without a hint of trouble. Significant change, one of the better changes we've made to our setup over the years. Now, if you're just puttering around town with your camper, taking it out to the local city park, then maybe you don't want to bite off this big expense.
Yeah, if you're just going, an hour or two from your house and you're not, going far distances on interstates or that sort of thing, it's probably not as big a deal to you.
You have to take everything you see on the internet, including YouTube, with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of homework. I certainly felt validated in a way when I saw that other people were experiencing the same problems that we were. It's very possible that in the time since we were running those tires on our rig, the quality of the tire has improved, and you may be able to run them these days without having those issues. So that's it, guys. A quick discussion of ST or special trailer tires versus LT light truck tires. What about you? Do you have a travel trailer? Are you running LT tires? Or are you running ST special trailer tires? Chime in the comments. If you have Goodyear Marathon tires or have had experience with Goodyear Marathon tires, we'd be interested in hearing about your experience as well.
Yes, and if you want to support our channel, the easiest way for you to do that is to click the link in the description bar down below for our Amazon store. Or you can go to longlonghoneymoon.com and click our supply store button where it will take you straight to our Amazon store. Either of those gets you there, and we basically earn a small commission off of whatever you purchase. Doesn't have to be RV related, but you do have to start your shopping experience at either the link in the description box below or from our website, longlonghoneymoon.com.
We'd like to give a shout out to our Patreon supporters. Your support is greatly appreciated, and it really helps us make these videos every week.
So if you enjoyed it, click the like button down below, give us a little thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so they can be a part of Loloho Nation. And until next time, what do we say? Loloho.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. Feel free to leave a comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.
You're tearing me apart, Christy! How's that?